Hey, welcome. I got some free time, so I'm going to go ahead and start the fan project. I got the steel, and I'm trying to figure out how we're going to get these on here, or mounted on, I should say. This is how it's going to be. You're going to have the two fans like this. Right, side by side, and then I'm just going to build this frame around the fans. Pretty much that's all it's going to go. And then I'll end up welding it, and we'll have a frame around here. Then I'll have to figure out a way to keep the fans inside the frame, which shouldn't be too difficult. Alright, I'm going to go take this to the vise at my next door neighbor's house, and I'm going to bend this piece right at these markings. Or attempt to anyways. I'll be back. Alright, we're at my neighbor's house. It might get a little windy out here, but go ahead and try this. He's got the vise. First, I'm just going to heat this up so it makes it easy to bend. That's good. It's right on the money. Looks pretty straight. Straight's gonna be. Might need a little tweaking, but it's close. Looks like it's right on the money. I think that's gonna do the frame. Hey. I have respect for my neighbor. I gotta make sure everything's put back the way it was. Alright, now that it's cooled down, let's see if I actually did this correctly. Oh, look at that fit. Isn't that nice? Well, that's one. Let's hope the other one fits. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. That's perfect. Alright, so the plan is cut this piece, weld it, and then go from there. I'm going to have to make some kind of way to mount these. I got to mark this to where I got to cut it. Alright. I got these two metal pieces, pretty rough right now. I'm going to be grinding them down and whatnot. For the center, alright, we're going to drill 2 holes for those, for the fans. And then these pieces are going to go on the corners. So it's going to go like that. And then we'll have holes drilled through this to screw the screws through. But anyway, okay, I'm going to weld the frame, and then I'm going to weld all these pieces on. Alright, now we're going to grind that weld down. Alright, I decided I just primed it because I wasn't sure when I was going to come back or have time to come back in the garage and get this finished. So I just threw a coat of primer over everything so it wouldn't rust on me. Now I got to figure out where I'm going to put it on the bike. Alright, my original idea was to put it on the front, like this. But the problem here is I got the cable running through, or the clutch cable running through there, and I don't think I can reroute that. Alright, I finally figured out how I'm going to mount this. Don't know how effective it's going to be, but I'm putting it on the very front, right behind the front fender. I don't know, we'll see. So I'm going to make some brackets and we'll go from there.